Hello everyone, welcome to Jumpermantech, and today I'm going to be installing LED strip lights behind my workstation to give it a new feel. Let's get to it. So here's a quick look at the LED lights that I'm using for this setup. When we open up the package, we're going to see that right away these are our LEDs. On the back side of the LEDs, it does come with 3M adhesive tape. These are waterproof. This tiny piece right here is actually our controller. Super slim. And it's powered by USB 5 volts. Comes with 2 sets of instructions and a remote control. Alright, so the idea I have here is to install the LED lights behind the desk going across the top. And only the top because I just want to highlight this desk. I don't want to do overkill because I also have LED lights behind the TV. So I figured I have lights going across here with one controller, set it one color, and since there's LED lights on this unit as well on a separate controller, I can play around with the lights and it's going to give a real warm and cool feel to the room. Alright, so we're going to figure out where we want them mounted, find the size by running them across, and cut them down. About every 2 or 3 inches you will see this symbol. It's actually a symbol of a scissor, and you just cut these down right down the middle. So now your lights are cut down to size. Here are your conductors. So in the future you can either add lights to your current setup using these conductors, or in the piece you cut off you could always use it for a future project. Once we have everything cut down to size, we can begin to mount our LED lights. Just peel back the red lining holding the adhesive, stick them on. So I mounted my LEDs. I used the adhesive for the most part, except on the opposite end that you saw there. I added this small clip, which you could which goes right above the LED. It's clear, and you just put one screw in and lock it down. Alright everyone, the work is complete. Everything's back into place. So I have my TV above my workstation on, with a nice background. If you haven't noticed, I am crazy about space. And here's a view with the lights on. Everything in my room is controlled by remote, which is pretty cool. So we're gonna turn off the lights, and I'm gonna turn on the lights that I installed for this video. Wow, okay, that alone transforms the room. What I like here is that we have an LED strip going across the back of the desk, which is on its separate controller, and I also have LED lights behind the TV, which runs on a separate controller, so you know we can play around with the colors. So I'm going to turn on the lights behind the TV. Wow, that looks amazing. Amazing. What I also do like is that I like the color contrast between blue and red. For some reason this gives me that like superhero vibe. So with these LEDs, there's quite a number of colors you can choose from. I was going to give you guys like a quick go through, which is really awesome. Oh, that's a nice blue. That's really cool. Personally, this is my favorite right here. If anybody found this video helpful or interesting, please drop a like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll catch you guys next time.